Respectful online communication, the etiquette of virtual workspaces. Hello learners. In today's interconnected world, much of our workplace communication happens online. Virtual communication might seem informal, but the same principles of respect and courtesy apply. In this video, we'll explore online communication etiquette in the context of virtual workspaces. Respect and professionalism aren't limited to face-to-face interactions. The way we communicate online can deeply impact our professional image, relationships, and even productivity. Maintaining proper etiquette ensures 1. Clear communication. 2. Positive workplace relationships. 3. A respectful work environment, even in virtual spaces. Emails are a primary form of communication in the professional world. Here's how to ensure respect. 1. Use a clear subject line. It guides the recipient about the email's content. 2. Begin with a greeting. It sets a positive tone. E.g., "Hello John." 3. Be concise but clear. Avoid unnecessary jargon. State your purpose directly. 4. Use a professional tone. Avoid slang and overly casual language. 5. Sign off politely. E.g., "Best regards," or "Thank you," followed by your name. 6. Proofread. Spelling and grammatical errors can seem unprofessional. Video conferencing is like a face-to-face meeting, but online. Keep the following in mind. 1. Dress appropriately, even if only your upper half is visible. 2. Minimize background distractions. Choose a neutral background and ensure a quiet environment. 3. Mute when not speaking. This prevents background noise from disrupting the meeting. 4. Use body language. Nodding and smiling can convey agreement and attentiveness. 5. Speak clearly and avoid interrupting. Wait your turn to speak, and be respectful of others' input. Instant messaging tools are common in many workplaces. However, the informality can lead to miscommunications. 1. Start with a greeting. Even a simple "Hi" can set a friendly tone. 2. Avoid all caps. It can seem like shouting. 3. Use emojis judiciously. They can help convey tone but use them sparingly in professional settings. 4. Wait for a response. If someone doesn't reply immediately, they might be busy. Be patient. 5. Log off properly. Inform the other party when leaving the conversation, e.g., "I need to head out. Talk to you later." Respectful online communication is pivotal in today's virtual workspaces. By following the right etiquette, we can maintain positive relationships, ensure clear communication, and uphold a professional image. Remember, every message, email, or video call is an opportunity to demonstrate respect and professionalism. Happy communicating, and we hope this video has been enlightening for you.